Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert a PNG image to an SVG file using Canva. If you've ever needed a logo, graphic, or illustration in a flexible, high-quality format for web or print, SVG is the way to go. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly turn any PNG into an SVG directly within Canva, even if you're just getting started. So let's dive right into it. Alright, first things first, let's say you have a PNG file ready to go. Maybe it's a logo you created elsewhere or an image that you'd like to scale up without any loss in quality. SVG files are great for this because, unlike PNGs, they're vector-based and can be resized to any dimension without getting pixelated. So here's what you do. Start by opening Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one, whichever makes sense for your project. Once your workspace is ready, simply upload your PNG file to Canva. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file right into the editor or by using the upload button on the left side panel. Sometimes the upload might take a moment if your image is large, so don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. Now that your PNG is in the project, place it wherever you want on the canvas. Make any adjustments you need, resize it, center it, or even add a white background if it helps. Remember, what you see here is exactly what will get exported in the SVG file, so take a second to check that everything looks right. The next step is exporting your work. Head up to the top right corner and look for the Share button. Click it, and a menu will pop up with a lot of options. You'll want to find and select Download. This is where Canva lets you choose the file type for your export. Now this is the crucial part. Under the file type options, scroll down and select SVG. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, and this means your image will now be saved in a format that can be resized without losing crispness or detail. You might notice that SVG export is sometimes only available to Canva Pro users, so if you're on the free version and don't see this option, that could be why. Once you've selected SVG, review the settings. There may be a couple of extra options, like whether you want a transparent background. For most logos and simple graphics, I recommend keeping transparency enabled so your SVG can easily be used anywhere without an unwanted white box around it. Double-check your settings, and when you're ready, just hit Download. Give Canva a moment to process. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, especially for larger designs. Soon, your SVG file will appear in your downloads, and there you have it. You've taken a regular PNG and turned it into a scalable vector file, perfect for websites, print projects, or even t-shirt designs. If you run into any bumps, like the SVG doesn't look quite right or Canva gives you an error, don't stress. It may be something simple like design complexity, font compatibility, or needing to upgrade to Canva Pro. In most cases, a quick tweak or a different export setting will solve the issue. That's all it takes. I hope this guide helped you out and that converting PNGs to SVGs in Canva feels a lot less intimidating now. If you learned something new, go ahead and give this video a like, and if you have any questions or want to share your experience, let me know in the comments below. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.